Insert engine here. We did. See, we can follow instructions sometimes. And we are back at the Trans Am today to insert the engine here. Now, since we're going to have to raise the front of the transmission up a little bit, we've got this block of wood on the jack, and we're going to slide this under the pan, like that, somewhere near the center. And then jack it up. Now, we don't know how high we need to go, so we're just going to hold it there until we figure out where we need it. So now we're going to jack up the transmission. That's probably good enough for now. And I'm going to remove that strap because the jack is supporting it now. Now we've got the manifolds and the exhaust pipe all painted nicely silver with exhaust paint. And we're getting ready to put the engine into the car where it belongs. We got to put the exhaust on first and the dipstick tube. Now, yeah, try to keep it more, not like that. Okay, I'm going to try to tap this down.
Yep, keep it going.
Now we can see where the dipstick tube is in. Nice and flush. We've put some silicone around there just to seal it, make sure everything's good and tight. And now it's got the dipstick in. And if there was any oil in there, I could check it. And we've also got the exhaust manifold on with the crossover. All the way over to the other side. That's all on tight. Everything is good and snugged up. Now we're about ready to turn this around and put it in.
Yep.
How close are we before we hit?
Stop.
Okay.
Any swings you could start back in the front.
Okay, we're going to try to come forward now.
Slow. You're on that lift.
Yeah, you're going to need to get something on there.
Yeah, I can. So what's going to happen is you're going to come back here. I don't know.
Don't kill yourself.
I was just going to lift it. Oh, this is going to snap that board.
Maybe not that way. Ready? Almost.
Yep. Go over.
Are we going okay?
Yes, you have clearance. Barely clearance, but clearance. That was just the ground template.
Spring it in for the foot. I'm going to bring this in a bit closer.
So we're going to want to line this up, sit it on the mounts.
Yeah. So right now we're just going to come back.
Okay, you start handling this end of it.
Okay. Push it in more. Just gently. Don't push too high up. You might want to push with your foot.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's dimples underneath. Okay. How much farther?
Another inch. You can probably come down now. When you come down, it's going to swing this way a bit more. So come down. Not like drop it, but come down.
I'm going super slow.
Yeah, a little faster would be nice. Not the bottom end.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
stop
it.
now,
Stop it. Yeah. Keep the bottom bar over this way a bit.
Yeah. There's dimples under there, Bruce.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we got to go in farther anyway.
Yep.
But before we go anywhere else, I'm gonna get that new exhaust donut.
I'm just going to look what we're upper piece here.
exhaust donut, which is that. See how it's got that groove? That's going to drop down into that pipe down there, way down there somewhere. And then it's going to line up with the exhaust manifold. Okay, now this end goes up into here.
So don't move anything right now.
Tight squeeze getting that in there. Okay, I got it in. So now when we drop this, that's going to go right into that pipe there and line up. Okay. It's got to come in more though.
You want it in first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come in first and then we'll lower it. I can still control the swing left and right if I have to. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, now we should start coming down.
I'm just gonna look here. This is, are you line, when it lines up straight, it still has to come forward
That
an
way?
inch? Yeah.
When it comes down, it's going to go that way a little bit.
Okay. So you want me to start lowering?
Yeah.
It's gonna be slow, Bruce.
There's slow and there's glacial.
Yep, there's glacial right there. You want me to kick you forward?
No, it's coming in beautifully. Why not good on this side? I wasn't on this side.
Looking.
It's dropping down right onto the mountain over here. How is
Yeah,
that?
so there's something. I should stop this. So you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we're going to go up on the transmission.
What?
We're going to go up on the transmission.
So for this side, come look at it.
Should have brought one of those pry bars.
There's a pry bar-ish.
Scraper.
You see how it's almost?
Yep.
But what's it? See, it's hitting that.
That's on the train.
That metal piece right here on this. On
It's
this.
freehand. We're lined up on the motor mount on this side. And when we go over to the other side, Trans Am by Pontiac. There we go. We're so damn close that if we come down, we're going to line up there nice. So, we just have to look back here. We got to turn it just a hair, but as we come down, it'll be fine. Yeah, well, we're not really up much. We've got to lower the back end down. There we go. Now we're down. We just got to twist.
Because now this mounts off.
Yes. Okay, now we're high. No, we got to go up just a hair more. No, we don't. No, we've twisted. We do have to get it twisted just a bit. That way.
What?
I'm going to try lowering the transmission jack.
Okay.
Keep an eye on it back there where the gap is and see if they come together. Your eyes, man, you ready?
Yep. They are slowly coming together. Stop that.
Over here on this side, the pin is a little higher than the hole and a little off to the side. So it's just going to need a little bit more wiggling around. And this should drop into place. Now the Trans Am has an engine. Can't really see too well through there, but it's in. It's not fully attached, not fully tightened, but we've got other obligations, so we'll have to come back for that another time. Next we'll come back and we'll tighten it all up and get it all together and running and see how it sounds.